Again, a very special occasion in our company, celebrating 9th-year anniversary of success in the real estate industry. I am happy and glad that despite the numerous unwanted circumstances like the COVID pandemic, the audit, and the crisis around the globe that affected us all, we are still here, able to surpass those challenges and trials we encountered. We must be proud of ourselves. So ato tagaag masipang palakpak ato gagawin. We must be proud of being resilient, determined, courageous, and strong. We cannot say that we are just lucky enough than others, but we earned it through our hard work, perseverance, and dedication to our craft, skills and talents, and of course, with the help of our colleagues and friends in the industry. 9 years is already a big milestone for us, but the work is just started. I am happy again and glad that as Yapi, I stood still and became one of the living testament that there is hope and perfect time for all of us. And that time is, siyempre, came from God. We started in 2015, yours truly as the president, wala pa po nakabalo, no? And now, came back bolder and smarter. I believe many of you knew already our previous life status and challenges, but it did not stop me from achieving my dreams in life. Life back then was a little bit harder physically, emotionally, and financially. But through prayers and with the help of our God, everything was in place. I'm forever grateful to my colleagues and friends sa mga board of directors for all their support and love. The success is really measured by how we are able to rise again from almost falling apart. I share this to you because it is very important to believe in yourselves that you can do it, because I do. And then we can do it. And that all of us will become more successful in the coming years. Today, as I accepted challenge to lead again the company, human na sayang, siyempre nagya po kakulba, no? Kulba hinam, or unsabay may tabo in the coming days. But looking back and reflected our company mission when we started our journey, we are here to provide wealth and career opportunities for the transformation of the lives of our people. Meaning, we are here to help other people in achieving their goals and dreams for their family. We are the gateway for their success. And with that, and with expertise, skills, and knowledge of all of us here, the people in YUPP family, I believe we will succeed. Remember this, we are strength of our family. So dili jud ta pwede magpa-luya-luya, no? Pwede mo post, but dili jud pwede mo undang. We are here to help navigate for a better and brighter future, especially those na wad-an na sa pag-asa sa kinabuhi. This is now our mission, to bring them to us and to provide better opportunities. Life has ups and downs, but if we are still breathing, again, there is always hope. In our industry, we can really feel the fire of competition with other salesperson and even company executives. Sometimes, we heard of some realty firms that were closing their company due to some factors and yet others mock them and consider them as losers. But in YUPP, we are different. We embrace and welcome everyone because we care. We welcome them wholeheartedly and even pray for them. That is why, up to this day, YUPP still exists in this prestigious industry. Please give again a round of applause. With this, we should never forget our core values as YAPs, that we always promote excellence and integrity, teamwork, spirit of fun, customer focus, and most especially professionalism. Now, as we move forward and unfold this new chapter in our company, I wish and pray that all of us will be successful in life, in all our dealings and endeavors. We'll continue to aspire each other so that we can also inspire and to help them. God give us this talent and skills, not just for ourselves, but to share to others whatever it is that we have. Problems and trials and challenges, dili yun na sila mawala. Why? Because it gives us opportunities that makes us grow, innovate, prosper, and become better. So be thankful and just have patience. Let us keep working together and raise our own flags of success and triumphs. When we reach that goal and fame of success, please bear in mind that character above intellect. It means that our character, our attitude is most important thing. It doesn't matter if you are smart, if you are intelligent or not, as long as you have good attitude and work ethics, you have that character that matters most. Lastly, I want to thank again for our Almighty Father for giving me this very huge opportunity and milestone for YPP. Thank you again to our dear partners, katong ganina, at our residences and CEO, at yung kinakusgan ng partner, no? To our board of directors, especially kay, with the help of everybody, we reached this milestone in 9 years. And of course, to our sales director and you, our sales manager. You are again the lifeblood of the company karon. No? So consider yourself as gold in the business. No? Dili lang kay sales manager mo, but you indeed have imparted a big part to YPP and to the industry. To our salesperson, no, the future sales manager, just keep on moving. Kay hapit na lagi, mahimon po mong sales manager. To our dear staffs, thank you kayo, especially to our operations manager, Sir Lloyd, for all your hard work and patience and your sacrifices for the company. Please give Sir Lloyd again a big round of applause. And to everybody, I know that 9 years is just started, no? I mean, layo na ta, pero layo pag padungan. And I am happy and glad that nanaa mo karon, especially Honorable Ma'am Juliet. Salamat ma'am for tagon. It's been a while. I know busy ka, but you give time to celebrate with us. And I know with the help of everybody, our collaborative effort, our unsa man ang inyong pwede ma-impart sa company, dili na siya i-take for granted, no? So as jolly as I am, whatever your suggestions, whatever your plans, if makahatag kini o kayuhan sa company din, I will work on it. Okay? So rest assured na our journey will be happy, no? So dili ta pwede nga although we have some differences, but still we need to be comfortable sabi na sa atong office, and we have lots of future plans for the company. Then I wish and I pray that all of you will be able to celebrate again with us to that future success in the company. So again, daghan kitang pwedeng i-improve, daghan kitang pwedeng ihatag sa industry. Okay, and of course, I want to thank our dili man po siya outgoing President Sir Alan for your effort, time, for your dedication and hard work for YUPP. And I know nga you've done 101% of your time for the company. It just happened na kanang na yung mga pandemic, niabutan na ba? But you really did a very good job, and I thank you for that. And of course, with the help of you as the chairman of the board, we can be able to be successful again, more success in our journey. Kay ganahan sa aming in the next coming days, kita mo explore ta og laing lugar, no? Dili lang diri sa Bohol. So, pwede ta madto ta og Boracay or asa mo gusto ninyo, no? So, ganahan ko nga kanang mag-enjoy lang ta sa atong journey in this real estate. And I am happy that God gave me this chance again to be able to help other people na mosulod diri sa kanang YUPP. So again, thank you everyone for joining us today. Thank you for celebrating with us. Thank you for all your sacrifices for the company. Thank you for all your prayers, and I hope that mag-enjoy ta today and the coming days. And I will also pray for everyone kung sa man ang iyong mga goals in life. So, daghan kayong salamat, and let's keep moving forward. Thank you. God bless.